Yorkshire, what comes to mind? That's right, super quality broadband, Yorkshire pudding, and Heaven 17. What? You can't do that. There's also plus there have their call centre. No, Heaven 17. You can't beat local. Seasoning shake Mediterranean chicken. Pop the ingredients and the seasoning into this handy little bag. Now shake it. Inside the bag locks in all that lovely flavour. Harold, this is amazing. New Coleman seasoning shake. And now try Coleman's tasty paprika chicken.
Wednesday at 9 on 4.
Okay, I grow some dinner. Make sure they get to school on time. It's their first day, so you know how nervous they're going to be, alright? And kids, don't worry. Mom can be back from New York in 2 hours. There's nothing happens really. It's only 1 hour at a time. Difference. Alright, I hugged everybody. I love you all. One more hug, and you guys transfer it up, alright? Thank you. I love you. Okay. Alright.
Got the whole neighborhood out to say goodbye, huh?
Little vampire! Right that way, she's gone. Now I can raise you children the way I want to. Come on, it's gonna be fun. I mean, your dream has come true. Mom's gone. Weak old dad is here. You can get away with murder. You can do anything you want. Dylan's birthday party is coming up. You can get all hopped up on ice cream and sugar and cake. Go crazy. The kids are gonna do great today, I promise.
Stop it.
Wake up.
Those were really cool. The part line look was really cool.
What? What? What, Matt? Look. Matt, look. Look here. Right in front of you. Look. Look. Spotted.
Isn't it great? Really?
Cheeky beggar.
4 minutes it's been now. Recording.